Football is where we begin. The Reggae Boyz scored their first goal on the new coach Jamaican Hallgrimson as they battled to a 1-1 draw with Cameroon in their international friendly today in Cameroon. More in this report.
The match was expected to be an audition for the Cameroon players before coach Reggae Boyz selects his 26-man squad for the World Cup in Qatar. 5 minutes into the contest, Captain Vincent Abubakar had the Reggae Boyz captain on the day, Damien Lowe, in 6s and 7s and forced a save from debutant goalkeeper Jamali Waite. Waite was one of 4 debutants as Justin McMaster along with Alwyn Harvey and Peter McGregor were given the nod in the 11 by Jamaican Hallgrimson. The Reggae Boyz, who were organized throughout the contest, contained the host to sparing attempts in the first stanza. The Jamaicans found chances at a premium, and as the half petered out into a stalemate, Coach Song brought life to the affair when he replaced his prized asset Abubakar close to the end of the half. Quarter of an hour into the second half, the beat in the stadium would turn reggae as McMaster capitalized on some amateur defending and the indomitable Lions were tamed. The Jamaicans were now believing that they could surprise the World Cup bound outfit, but 14 minutes later, the Lions roared back, albeit fortuitously. 19-year-old Jawal Kaiba benefiting from the dangled leg of Kevin Lambert as the ball looped over Waite's head. 1-1, but things could have been different 2 minutes later as a dart in the box from Trevante Stewart opened up the Africans' back door, but lack of composure thwarted a second goal. The contest ended in what many might see as a great step for the Jamaicans, who are starting their umpteenth World Cup rebuilding journey, while the host will reflect on how far they are off the big teams ahead of the World Cup, which starts on November 20. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.